What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about
Spotify totally for free both in Android and iOS. With this app you'll be able to get Spotify Premium free of charge, and let me show you how the app looks like. So here it is. It's gonna be just like Spotify, but it's gonna have all these features, all these premium features free of charge, and as I said, I'm gonna show you how to get it both in Android and iOS devices. So I'm in the app already. I can go to the settings page and show you that it says that I have premium, but this is free of charge because I didn't pay anything at all for this app. And as I said before, I'm going to show you how to get it both in Android and iOS devices. Now, if you are in an iOS device, to get this modified version of Spotify, which is called Spotify you're going to need to change a couple of settings on your phone. You're going to need to change these settings just for the installation of Spotify++, and after you get the app, you can change the settings back to normal. But if you are on Android, then there is nothing that you need to change. For Android devices, you can skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where to get it. But on iOS, firstly, you need to make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. Once you're done with that, you need to go to Settings, and once you are on the Settings page, you need to find the General Settings tab, and then go to Background App Refresh and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on. For me, it's on already, but if it's off for you, you need to tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS device. If you are on Android, now is the part where you should start following this tutorial because the steps are the same on both phones. So you need to open your browser and go to this website, which is buellhub.com. So buellhub.com is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, this is how the page is going to look like. And to find Spotify++, you're either going to go to Featured Apps and find it there, or scroll down until you find the app, or the best option, in my opinion, is by using the search bar. So if you go to the search bar and start typing Spotify, you're gonna see Spotify++ showing up just like this. And once you find it, you simply need to tap on it, and that's gonna send you in the injection window. So tap on Spotify++, and then, once you're here, you need to tap on the Download Now button, and that's gonna start downloading Spotify++ on your phone. Now, for the download and the installation to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps, which are very well explained, and then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get Spotify++ on your phone, and I'm gonna show you how to complete these steps because they're very easy and straightforward. So here we are. In a few seconds, you are going to get this new window that looks just like this, and it says here that we need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions below their names to actually get Spotify++ installed. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna download 2 apps and complete the instructions below their names. In my case, I'm gonna start with the first step, and I will go with one of the apps from the list here. So let me choose one of the apps right now. So I'm gonna go on and choose this app here called State of Survival, because in the instructions it simply says that I need to download the app, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So let me fast forward this part of the video while I download State of Survival, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the country watching this video from and depending on the platform, being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my list here. Once you're done with the first step, you need to go back to the browser and choose a second app. In my case, I'm gonna choose Norton Secure VPN because, again, I simply need to download it, install it, and then run it for a while. So let me fast forward this part of the video one more time while I download Spotify, install it, and then run it for at least 30 seconds. So once you're done with both apps, the last step is the easiest of them all, because all you need to do next is that you need to simply wait 5 to 10 minutes, and once you do wait, Spotify++ is gonna be installed on your device automatically. And it's gonna look just like this. Let me just open it one more time for you to see that it is fully working for me, so that you can go on and try this yourself and get this amazing app. So thanks for watching, have a good day, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.